Hey there! So this is a really simple job application tracker, Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet. So I've got two versions and I'm going to show you how to use it. I hope you found me on savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. So I've got the instructions tab here. When I'm done with the YouTube video, I'm going to have the link here to the YouTube video. And then, okay, so this is your job application tracker. This is going to help you to track like every time you've applied to a job and everything that goes into that. So we're going to start here, and we've got all sorts of columns. This is editable. This is customizable. You can add columns. You can add change the colors, all sorts of things. So anyways, we're just going to click in the cell. And so each one of these rectangles is called a cell if you're not familiar with Google Sheets. Okay, so let's just pretend that we applied for a manager position. And we're going to say that the employer is a big place. And then the website is bigplace.com. The location, let's say, is in Texas. And then a job description. So we're going to be like the main manager. And then say the pay is, I don't know, $75,000. And then you applied, say on the 20th of January. Application status, so I'm going to click here, and then there's options if I've applied or not applied. So let's just say I've applied. The benefits, so you have PTO, 401k, contact person, John Doe at email. And what I'm doing is I'm hitting the tab button each time so I can go through it instead of having to click on each cell. So say that there's an interview date. So say the interview is on the 20th at 8:30 a.m. And then the decision status. So this is options for interview. If you're waiting, if you have been given an offer or you've accepted the offer. So let's just say we're at interview stage, decision deadline. So I have until March 20th to decide. And then favorites, is this 1 to 5? Is this super exciting? Is it not exciting? So I'm really excited. And then notes, love the location, lots of perks. So you can put notes there. This is just a really handy thing to track how many jobs you've actually applied to, and then any of the applications in progress. So if you're in progress, and then any of the interviews. So if you have the decision status on interview, it's going to calculate that here. And then this pie chart is going to change based on this here, applied, in progress, or not started. So see how that changes. So that's how it works. It's a really easy spreadsheet. Hopefully this will help you. If you wanted to, delete everything, you just highlight everything here and then hit the delete key, and then that way you can start over. Once you get going, it's just easy to do that. You highlight everything. There's a little dot here. You can just drag it all down and it'll delete everything for you. So now you can start from scratch. So okay, well, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name is Gwen, and I'm at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of spreadsheets that could help you. Business, work, home, family, budgeting, to-do list, goals, trackers, all the things. So check me out, and I'd love to hear from you.